Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Summer is literally just around the corner and I don't know about you, but I am ready for a hot girl summer. I'm also ready for a hot curl summer. Get it? Get it? With Curlsmith, who are the sponsors of this video. We wanted to bring you some hairstyle inspiration for a hot curl summer. I'm trying to rock my hair in all different styles all summer, so it's a hot girl summer and a hot curl summer. So here is one of my summer hairstyles that I'm going to be rocking this summer for my hot curl and hot girl summer. I used all products by Curlsmith to create the style, so if you're interested in seeing how I created this, then let's get straight into it. Okay, so starting on freshly washed hair, the first product that I'm going to be using is the Curlsmith Moisture Recipe Curl Conditioning Oiling Cream, which is a leave-in conditioner for curly and coily hair. As you can see, it's got a super thick consistency, which I really like. This product, along with the other products that I'm using in this video, are free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils. They are cruelty-free and they're also vegan. As you can see, this leave-in had my curls clumped together, looking nice and juicy and shiny and bouncy. What I do is I just apply this product onto all 4 sections, and then here what I'm doing is sectioning off a small part on a side part for styling later on. So for this style, I'm going to be doing a twist out, and in order to do that, I just take down the back 2 sections just to avoid having any parting straight down the middle, and then I section off rows going from the back up to the front. So that's going to be the first row. The product that I'm going to be using as my styler is the Curl Defining Styling Souffle, which is a styling gel for curly or wavy hair. As you saw from the clip before, it's a very unique jelly-like consistency. Really lightweight when applying, super easy to apply all the way through the section. It gave me loads of slip, and most importantly, it gave me definition. When doing twist outs, I like to braid the roots of my hair before turning it into a twist. This just gives me a little bit of extra stretch and makes my hair fall nicer when I take the twist out the next day. So this is the first row complete, and this is the whole back half of my hair done. And then this is the whole of my head done. So this just shows a little bit of the twisting pattern. As you can see, my twists are looking juicy. For this section here, I'm not going to be doing a twist out on this section, so I don't need to twist my hair up. So all I'm going to do is braid up that whole section whilst I let that dry, and we'll come back to that tomorrow. So it is the next day. As you can see, my twists are dried and shrunken up slightly. What I'm going to do first is just tie them out of the way whilst I style this section of my hair. What I'm going to be doing is some flat twists on this section. I'm going to be doing 3 flat twists, so I've done one already. Before putting the flat twists in, just to make sure that they stay in place and look nice and tidy, I'm going to be using the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly, which is a weightless hold. Although it's rated 7 out of 10 for hold, it gives a weightless hold because, as you saw, the consistency of this is super lightweight. I apply this right by the partings just to make sure that everything is nice and slick, and then I flat twist all the way to the end of my hair. Next, what I do is unravel the twists. So I just gently pull them apart and then unravel the braids at the roots. And as you can see, those 2 products combined have given me a nice, bouncy, defined twist out. So I just gently go around my whole head and gently unravel all the twists. This is of course optional, but I like to style my baby hairs. So in order to do that, I applied a little bit more of the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly to my edges and then just brushed them into nice little swoops just to add a little bit of extra spice to the style. And then to hold that in place, I tied them down with a satin scarf for about 10 minutes. Then once I take the scarf off, what I did was put these 3 twists into kind of like a bantu knot. So I just twist them round together, keep going round until the ends are tucked in, and then I secured it in place with a bobby pin. And I just thought this added like a cute little element to the style. Then I take down the rest of my hair, which I had tied up just to keep it out of the way whilst I did that. And then we are all done. Usually I fluff out my hair and get more volume and break my curls apart a bit more just to make my hair really nice and big, but I was really enjoying this super defined and not so voluminous look for once. So this was the final look. 3 twists into a bantu knot on the side with lovely defined twist out for the rest of my hair. Yeah, let me know what you think. Will you be joining me with Hot Curl Summer and rocking this style? Let me know. Let me know if you also try out these products because I'd love to hear what you think. I hope you love them as much as I do. See you in my next one. Bye.